Yo, what's going on, guys? Khordmaster here. It's just really crazy how weather could have such an impact on how you're feeling. It's like 78 degrees out here right now. It's like almost the middle of November. Usually we'd have like, I don't know, 40-degree days or something like this time of year. I'm gonna go, I guess, this way because the sun's over there. But yeah, I wanted to make a video talking about these new pair of sneakers that I just recently ordered, and I think they're incredible. And yeah, here we go. Here we go. Here we go! So, this is a pair of Lego Adidas sneakers. And we're gonna open them and look at them and see. I think it comes with some accessories to kind of customize them and stuff. So let's just experience this together. Am I opening it the wrong way? It's supposed to be this way. Yeah, there we go. Wow. All right, let's get this box over here and let's look at these. Yeah. Okay. So these are what the sneakers look like. So let's actually take a look here. So we got that look there. We got that on the top. We have that on the, I guess this way, other side. Fronts look like this. Bottoms look like this. Back looks like this. And we have some accessories here. So let's take a look at these accessories. So, looks like we have some Lego pieces that can be I guess that can be used for the front. I'll have to like look online at how people, I guess, customize these, but you have different laces, right? You have your gray laces and accompanying gray Lego pieces to go in the front. So we have gray here, then we have red. And as you can see, they're using like the yellow lace with like the green here. So you can kind of be, I guess, creative however you want. And we have the red lace and interchange them. I can see myself possibly using different colors for each side, maybe. I don't know. Then over here, we have black, blue, and green. It's good stuff. This is good stuff. And black, blue, and green. Wait, oh, black, yellow, and blue, because green's already being used here. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably put all the Lego pieces into this bag here, and maybe put all the shoelaces in the other bag. And yeah, here we go. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think of this video. So my main thing here with this channel is I really want to just have different things that I'm doing on the channel, and not have everything to have to do with music, because there's other areas of my life that I'm interested in. Personal development, creative things, just basically whatever I want to share. I'll probably put some music, you know, some of my music over the top of this video. Yeah, I think that's obviously a good idea to do. But yeah, let me know if this type of content is entertaining for you guys as well. Because I want to make stuff that I enjoy, but I also want to make stuff that you guys enjoy as well. Because that's, that's the main thing. Having a YouTube channel, it's not just for me, it's for everyone. All right, so that's the end of the video. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing what my wife thinks about these, because yeah, I'm interested. I'm very curious to know if she likes them, or if she's gonna be like, what are you doing? All right, have a good one. I'll see y'all later. Again, boom, sneakers. Look kind of dope, look kind of dope. Oh, that's a pretty cool thumbnail there, huh? That's a good thumbnail. Yeah, I might use that. Boom, right there for the thumbnail. Or maybe even right there. All right, cool. Take care, y'all.